But we know, Kedesha. Right now, Mama, you have to make a t-shirt to the combo. You don't sell them off in a less than 3-4 blood clot.
My name Kedesha.
She way out the brown one named Kedesha.
She name Kedesha.
All the name Kedesha right now.
She name Combo Boss.
Combo Boss that. So that's the only party you do ads for already?
No. I do good amount a party, ads.
Good goods. Where is it? It at my goods. A chat and laugh for there. Eh?
Yeah.
Message send a request. The Kedesha and a party shall go, you know. Alright, Ciara, no. She there. Dora. Alright, good. What's where you going with you?
I don't know. I'm stressed out.
Welcome to Chat and Laugh.
Hi, good night, Chat and Laugh, people.
Yeah, so Kedesha, where you going with? Your name ring bells all over.
May I tell you?
So, yeah, I say no. So, how you feel from last night to today now?
I'm stressed out.
Why?
Because police come to my house a couple times, well, from night, I look for me. I look for Shanice. And I don't know.
But you don't do nothing?
I don't do nothing, but I'm my name.
Yeah. Your name all over Kedesha. You're famous. So, as we say, me and Chromas, you know, a girl look at advice and whatever the case might be. You can't pick anything out of it you want to pick out of it. You get where I come from, because the thing have a buzz at this present moment.
Buzzy.
So, yes, so milk you can milk out of it. Get where I come from?
I should tell you, I never had a live for most sites because I was busy.
Right.
So to tell you how it go about, how it start, how she come up with.
She do the video promo for you. I said, no, it's too raw. But it done it gone already.
No, and I said gone already. It was on her WhatsApp for like 7 minutes, and somebody that was on her status take it down. Like say it would happen the 1st of October, and they never sent it out until like the 3rd week in October. Yeah. So we are saying when this, you know, them somebody take down this and then put it out feedback, because the full video they never put it out. They put out only the last part.
Okay.
But she had talked about suck and fuck and whatever.
Right. Or people must say your page private. Oh, before anything, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, man. You know, more life and more blessing.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, so Romy MPM money never get no combo.
Alright, here we know. We did have doubts in the party.
Right.
Not saying that it was publicized and it never got go on, but people were in a higher ranks that tell us say, yo, this gone to the soup them, this gone to some top people and will get yourself in a problem. And me remember what happened to Celine. I said, me not got Jeff my birthday, you know. So
United.
So I said, Shanice, this big, you know, so waiting. And she said, boy, mama, me know. She did kind of get afraid too. I just last week, she get up and say, me I try a thing, you know.
Right.
I try a thing. I say, mama, do your thing. But they are with you same way. Just tell me when and how, and she say, Ray, I will help push it out for you. Invite up who can invite up and make people know say you're up and run, because people been contacting us and asking if it's up, and we are say, yeah, but with the year we are give them, we never sure. Because as we say, me pull myself from it, because me can't bother with a jailhouse business.
Okay.
A problem with the government.
But as I said to say, look out for more people that will keep a party like this and probably call it combo too. Yeah, man, that's what people say.
Well, I'm glad.
Yeah.
When it first come out, it was bad and it make you feel down because my mother, my parents get involved and I say, what kind of slackness that I go on at the yard and Ray, and if I saw me, I leave and...
Oh, that happened when the girl is splice up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first part, it was so bad and, you know, we would feel away.
I understand.
But that one, you know, we just laugh and take it for fun because it's just fun. Because we know nothing like that, never dug at me, and it was we who was going to do the stuff. Some of the old people did that carry like, we did go do the actual things then. No. The actual thing, we don't get people for do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I just company name Combo.
Well, I don't know. I mean, in my kitchen, I'm cooking and she in the living room. I'm sit down in my cook. And me I cook and I sit down for a while and I go and speak one pandy.
Right.
On the phone. When I go up on my status, I feel her name up because it just post.
Right.
Then she go say, someone watch it, someone say, no girl, take down this too raw. You want my mama put me out and come out of her place?
Right.
And at that, because my mother is the, you know, them type of people. And I said, no, you can't do that. Because my mother don't live here. I live here by myself, but you can't take the
right.
And she'll say, Ray, and it did go like that still, because my mother first showed me the video.
So you see like a local skit them and local money they make you the face paint and them something like that.
Everything. Everything.
Yeah. So,
well, I'm glad. She said she want boss and yeah. And she's a determined girl and she will reach there.
You hear that?
Determined man and she will reach there. She brave, she will reach there.
The people on the lookout for her. The world look out for her.
Yeah, she will reach there.
People are watch her live, yeah? And whole people are going to watch the live again on YouTube, so prepare, my friend. Yeah, man. You're there road now. You don't have nothing to worry about no more. You're there road now. I just say, you know, have to move smart with it.
True.
You know, have to move more smart with it. You get where I come from? And they turn the team up, same and do and I do.
Yeah.
Get where I come from? All end of the day, I just have to just pay respect to the police them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if I follow up what them say, you know, because you know, so not jump up in the back of a Jeep every minute.
Exactly.
Yes,
so that's why them take my picture yesterday.
Right. And as I say now, you say to the police and come in there in Kadesha. Kadesha, you say to the police come and look for you too.
Yeah. So, don't look up for my man. Oh, send me if you come at the station. I say why? Me no look.
They don't want to know for nothing. You can't go on the two and go on there tomorrow. When I go and soup, talk or not talk or whatever. On all right. You get where I come from?
It's going to work out for her. I tell her, I say what was meant to be bad, I got turn out to be good. Because when it come out, she a go on, but you me a whole girl for her. You know, me I go tell her the right. I go say, girl, yeah, it look bad and it sound bad because how people are put it.
Right.
But what is meant to be bad, I got turn out to be good. Then now this second outbreak now, we never expect the people still keep up with the date. So when it come out now, media Mystic Mountain, and I say, Shanice, my phone is blow up, and she had tell me say, yeah, Shuckle Boss, yeah, big up Shuckle Boss and Shuckle Boss. And I did it on live and everything and way. I'm saying, why group this gone, you know? This gone, just be fearful.
You're gone good. Get where I come from? As I say, I chat on half of the pan, so nothing I get bigger than this pan social media. So make use of it. Yeah. And you get the link them so people might type say to on the page Kadesha page private, so create the page. Do you get where I come from? And when certain message them, just check them profile before you ever answer them, because people make all kind of fake page and type one bag of fuckery.
Them take down my picture, them off my Instagram and put it up. One bag of fake page I make.
Them tell us from night how much page send request with a profile picture on it.
Yeah, about 20 of them.
Yeah, I'm not sending request for true. Well, I'm here now. Miss here Dora because she keeps on looking freaky party in New York, you know. Here shall I say. Somebody say
Kedesha, good happy birthday, my girl. Although I don't big up already. 12 o'clock on the dot.
Thank you.
Dora going.
I'm big up Xavier. I forgot to say his son birthday too.
Yeah, you never have to ask that. You know me have to pick up my one and only child.
True that.
Me just want to know if the police them at Jamaica now want to buy some combo instead of lock up the girl them. Yeah man, you know for buy some combo man and come out of them suit there and back on the face at the time when they get ignorant. See some girl that do something positive, they give you some joy now in life. Buy some combo man.
You hear that? So suit,
stop
big up
trying
yourself.
to lock up the girl them a hustle. The girl them a hustle.
You hear that?
And of them I do it if them have some people where some professional right now more and find some Bronx girl for can start sell them as combo deal. Them fuck for this $7 food they run a good dine. Let me just put in our house and say combo deal, man. The amount of man who me know me now ask Christ them give you some combo grind and money and everything you know want. I want a combo deal I find my love. I don't know for hustle.
Alright, do it. Big up yourself.
Can you, people, add this page. Since everybody cuts to me, I had to make a new page. So everybody, add this new page, this ballhead man, combo boss, cause I feel new name this. He want to buy some combo on the ladies, but I told him they're too far. Him not really get much pussy, I'll ride him. I'll beat him bad. So him really want to buy it. What read the comment them, him really want to buy, but trim a up over here like him decent. He would have take all a double combo number 6 with the extra suckings.
No, it's made up a combo more buy. I don't buy a combo. I know where you get this blood clot combo from a combo.
Yeah man, who I go come by you? Me have to say combo cause easy that somebody I go come by you, I go come by somebody which one I go on. Me like
and me I buy it, so me have to do all of that.
Okay. A long time you want to tell the world say you buy pussy no crosses, man.
Bye, come from my life. Later.
I thought we have this.
Alright then. See they know what I know. Yes.